After I figured out I wasn't overpaying at the market, I didn't realize it was that easy to do. In a mixing bowl, we're going to add 100 egg whites. Next, we'll attach the beater and beat until it starts to foam. Once we reach that point, we'll add 80 grams of sugar and we'll add it gradually, continuing to beat. Once it reaches the consistency of whipped cream, that's the ideal point. Now we're going to add around 4 yolks. It should add up to more or less 65 grams. We'll blend all this lightly with the same beater, then we're going to mix it well. Now, we're about to add wheat flour and cornstarch. 30 grams of cornstarch and 40 grams of flour. Add the wheat gradually and stir until it's well mixed. Guys, don't forget, don't overmix to avoid making the mixture too liquid. Now this one is already at the ideal point. Now we just need to transfer it to a piping bag, and we're going to put it in a greased and floured mold. Once done, we'll sprinkle a little icing sugar and crystal sugar on top. Remember, you can shape the cookie however you like. Once that's done, we just have to put it in the oven set at 150 degrees and let it sit for 15 minutes. After this time, check out our champagne biscuit. It turns out amazing, guys, super quick, easy, and tasty, just like the ones you get at the market. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. This was another recipe from the Poor Man in the Kitchen. Sending you all a big hug until next time, and thank you.